like...
Mantis, no improvising. Mantis, I have told you many times, no improvising in my arena. Get back.
Profuse apologies. Do forgive me, please.
Okay. You are doing that again.
But this time I am begging you forgiveness.
Tell me, who taught you to do that?
What?
That.
What?
That.
What?
That.
What? This? My parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, aunt, uncle, girlfriend, neighbor.
You can call us comrades.
All right, comrades. Then where do you come from and why are you drenched from head to toe?
It's a long story.
Which you will have to keep short, I'm afraid. In the good old days, ladies and gentlemen, the Kolam Arena kept the village up all night. But today we only have a couple of hours here. Time is money, my dear comrades, and therefore, as Hamlet put it, brevity is the soul of wit.
I thought we were not going to speak of the evils of capitalism.
Tick-tock, comrades. Tick-tock.
We come from the river.
The river? The river? You went bathing at this hour? Man, hasn't your mother warned you about Halukumar, the dark demonic prince who lurks on desolate riverbanks waiting to prey on young women like you?
Our mothers didn't raise us to fear the dark.
Oh, any prince. We have come from the river. In search of someone.
Someone we have sought for many years.
In that case, you have come to the right place, comrade. You see, this Kolam Arena is the playground of all cosmic beings. Tell us who you seek and we shall find him, her, or